huge lonely castle where I live. Nobody knows I am here. So you just saw me make this picture. There we go. I used a lovely mixture of very, very strong black coffee. There's actually a bit of soy sauce in there to make it extra dark. It's great paint. I used stencils, here we go, to block out areas, and then I painted on the coffee with just a stinky old tissue. I had no idea when I did it how it was going to end up, and that's really important. It can be really good fun when you do your pictures, rather than having an idea of what you're going to do, just play and see what happens. And then when I'd done it, some words kind of appeared, and I had the idea of a kind of lonely person living in this castle. So in the end, actually, the words I added to it kind of expressed some emotion. So yeah, have a go at making a drawing like that. Now, just to remind you, every Friday there will be new films to watch by various artists, of ideas of things you can do, things you can make, by clicking on the link at the end of this film. So yeah, see you all soon. Take care. Bye bye.